Hello my friends, today I will be showing you how to make no-bake peanut butter balls, but first, the channel has grown to 40 subscribers. Thank you all for your help in growing the channel. 100 is starting to become a reality, and thank you for that. The ingredients you will need are oats, honey, pumpkin, cinnamon, peanut butter, and banana. First thing I did was open up my can of pumpkin. When using canned pumpkin, always make sure it is pure pumpkin and nothing like pumpkin for pumpkin pie, because that will have spices that are not very ideal for your dog to consume. The next thing I did before mixing all the ingredients in a bowl was take the peeling off a half a banana and mash it up in a bowl with a fork. Once I had the banana mashed up and put in the bowl, I got the peanut butter jar and measured out a 1/4 cup. When using peanut butter, make sure it does not have the artificial sweetener called xylitol, because it's rather bad for your dog. After the peanut butter came the pumpkin. I put in about half of the can into the bowl. Next came the honey. I measured out 1/4 of a cup and added it into the bowl. Also, if you take cooking spray and give your measuring cup just a little spray, you'll make the honey come out much easier. Next to last, I add in a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Lastly, I added in 1 cup of oats and stirred it up. However, I saw I needed a 2nd cup of oats, so after I added that in and stirred it up, it was then time to roll the mixture into balls. I took out enough of the mixture to have each ball about 1 inch in diameter. In the end, I had 15 of the balls made, and when you're done making them all into balls, they will need to be refrigerated for about 1 hour. Here is how they look once they're done after the refrigeration. And here comes Lucy. Thank you all again so much for growing the channel to 40 subscribers. Also, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Have a good day and goodbye.